Okay. I mean, like I do, right? Okay. I think I'm gonna sell this. I want to keep Revels open. Kind of want to try them. Okay. Low item start. I think it's just preparation, which is kind of bad. Okay, well, it's not as bad if we get... Okay, we'll see how this goes. Is it actually worth keeping, like, any of this shit, though? What are the odds I can just turn this into a Guardians Revel game? Would that be any good? Hard to say. No, Thresh. You didn't hook the person you're actually hitting. You worthless monkey. Ayah. Alright, I guess I shouldn't be surprised that 2-star Thresh doesn't win fights. But oh well. There's maybe a world where we play Cavaliers. I really don't know yet. I think I win this one. Nice. Easy. Cool. I could hit Econ here, but it would take too much selling. Kinda want to sit on a lot of this. Okay, now the question, am I ever actually going to play Cavs here, or should I just hit Eco? And I think it's probably just hit Eco. Yeah, let's just do it. I feel like Jinx does not get refunded enough mana for the empty trap bullshit. It's only 10 per, but she has a max mana of 120. So it's like, what? It's Garbo. think I might want to try and play like Sona or Corki carry. I don't know how either of those are really gonna work, but I'm gonna assume that I need to have a Sojin for something. Might try and go Evokers, we'll see though. Okay, that's Jinx 2. Screw it. See, like, she only hit 2 people there with her ult. Feels so goofy. And, like, not at all good. Oh well. Okay, we could get Tristana Heimer in if we wanted to. I don't know that we do, but we'll see. I feel like you gotta put Jinx straight in the middle here. Otherwise, she's just gonna target, like, this person. Which I guess she did, so I'm only gonna hit 2 with my ult. Jinx positioning weird, champ. I guess that's worse. Oh well. Easy fight. Damn, that guy's almost at 50. I'm gonna take Thresh out for a round so that he can get another stack. Should do that with Jinx too. We're not playing Nunu, we're not playing Volibear. Please tell me I can win this, right? Okay, thank God. Thought I might have griefed myself a bit. Good thing I didn't. Alright. Do I just level and put in trainer? No, I'll wait a turn. Sona has 160 mana, Jesus. Oh wow. That's actually pretty strong though. It's the first time I've seen somebody use Sona though. It's kind of funny. Dude, what a worthless ulti. Oh no. Yikes. That one's rough. Yeah, let's do Revel Heart. Screw it. Let's just start feeding this boy. Little Nomsy. Alright, we've got like a pretty solid front line going here. That's a worrisome dragon. I think we'll get it. Nomsy will get anti-heal on it, so... Nice. Right? Nice. What are the odds I'm actually playing these Tarks? Probably zilch. I wonder, is there ever like a Guardian Revel Cannoneer reroll? Because there's 2 costs in Cannoneer. We can reroll for like Trainer and shit while we're at it. Maybe get Kench. And then we can reroll for Braum and Thresh as well. That's really good frontline. I don't know how good the damage actually is, though. Not sure if Tristan is a good carry or not. Heimer ulti has goofy targeting. Alright, we got it though. Alright, the 2 things that I wanted were taken right off the bat. A true classic. I guess we'll take another tier. I don't know what Corki's mana is. Should really try and figure that one out. Okay, if next turn we get like a Braum and a Jinx, maybe we'll reroll. But I want 2 before I start rerolling. Otherwise I'm gonna go 8 and see if I can get to 5 Revel. Can this Yone die? Oh, fuck. Seriously? Dude, why does that thing have so much AP? Oh, he's got Spell Sword. It's rough. Okay, well we got a Braum. I'll roll for this turn. Didn't really find anything. Alright, I think we'll just level. Look how bad that ulti is, though. It's just kind of sad. Damage and it only hits like one person for 120 mana. I guess it stuns, but still. That's just depressing. Alright, I gotta start slamming items, otherwise I'm just gonna kinda disintegrate. I do not think that Thresh is worth it, so I'm gonna just do that. Keep the one that's been fully prepared. Pop that on Kench for now. Okay, we got the last two there. That's about all we could have hoped for that combat. Guardian, Cannoneer, Stand United. These kinda suck. Forge. Yeah, my items are kinda donkey. Let's do Trinity Force. Let's just do something like this for now. These will probably just be Corki items in the end. I feel like this could definitely be an interesting comp, but I'm not exactly sure what the front line is supposed to be. Okay, that Elise is kind of funny. Will not lie. That damage is actually surprisingly small. Okay. Corki has 60 mana. Four Revel, 3 Cannoneer. Maybe it'll do something. I think I keep leveling here. Alright, let's see how well Corki does. I definitely feel like the big one is kind of sus. Kind of just goes so slow. Alright, what am I doing? I need tank items. Although taking a Corki isn't a bad idea. Yeah, fuck it, we'll take a Corki. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this sword though. These items are kinda interesting. Although it could just be Sojin for something. We're gonna do that preemptively. Once we level, we're gonna be putting in Sona for sure, I think. Man, that Corki damage is actually surprisingly good. Yasuo was kind of scary too. He did like half health on like all of my units. Spooky. Alright. Could be worse. We hope that we win this next one, because I don't want to power level before Treasure Dragon. But I also don't really want to lose it. That's a scary Yasuo. Jesus, that does so much damage, dude. That's actually crazy. And he lived through that. Holy. God damn. Yasuo is a scary champion. Okay. That's like kinda good. Alright, Alright, we basically roll down and try to find, what's it called? Sona now? Sona will give us Evoker, which will be okay, hopefully. And it'll give us 5 Revel, which will be good, hopefully. Okay, so these items are probably just Sojin. We could pop Morello's on her, and then Thieves Glove somebody else. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Okay, nice. And we find the Corki, sweet. Okay, who are we Thieves Glovin'? I think it's Thresh. We need more fucking frontline. Alright. Nice. Sona actually did a lot of damage. I guess that is just Revel damage. Cool. I think we're pretty strong here. If we can hit Kench 3 here, that'd be really nice. Okay, Braum's gotta be better than Leona at this stage in the game. Are we ever chasing Corki 3? I want to say no. Yeah, let's go with no. I don't think I have the gold to get there. I'm really just looking for these upgrades, and then I think my comp is done. Of course I see like exclusively Corkis, holy shit. One more Jinx. Dude, I've seen like 5 extra Corkis. Yeah. Alright. Should probably position this Sona a bit better, I think. Yeah, this will be alright. Yasuo too, oh shit. It's a good thing it doesn't look like it's doing anything. Nice. I wonder if Spell Crit makes Revel Rockets crit as well. That'd be nice to know. I mean Revel Spat, right? Revel Spat. Do I just take out TK? Probably, eh? Why isn't there a 6th Revel? Papega. we can just run 6 Revel, I guess. It's not a bad idea. I don't know who else to give a Revel spat right now that would fit into this comp well. Yeah, it wasn't good, it wasn't bad, I don't think. Okay, we're up against 7 Mage, 7 Bruiser, 6 Astral with a Sona and an Aurelian Soul. Oh, that was 4 Evoker, oh shit. That's kind of scary. Okay, well I think Corki damage is a little bit too strong. Wait, why did he do no damage to the Aurelian Soul? The big one hit him. What? Evoker Steel Mana. That was weird. I did not like that. God damn it. That was fucking goofy. Okay, if I could hit this Jinx, that'd be sweet. Would really like that. I'd also take a Mystic, I think, at this point. Cursed State, let's go! Are you a good enough of a Mystic to warrant getting rid of Kench? Or the other ones? Basically Bard. That's a 3-star rise, holy. That's scary. Good thing I had that Zephyr, because I feel like he'd be destroying me right now. Yeah, I don't know if I would have beat him without that Zephyr. Okay, can I hit? Please? 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 God damn it. Okay. Who do I need as Zephyr here? Alright, we dodged the Shroud for the most part, that's good. I feel like the Ginsu's is not great on this Corki. Seems to be working out alright though. Okay, let me hit a 3-star, please. Oh shit, 4 Mystic? No wonder that guy was taking so little damage. Okay. Never lucky. try popping up the Zoe this time. Okay, that Corki shot, holy. God damn. That's some ginormous damage. Poggers. Okay, 2-star Aurelian Soul is definitely scary. Fuck. That's not good. Look at that damage, holy. Concerning. Damn, these items all kind of suck. I guess it's IE. I am running 3 Cannoneer. IE's really only good on Corki though. For the most part anyway. Alright, do I run this Bard? Fuck it. It gives me too many traits not to, I think. Which means goodbye Tom Kench 3 Dream. I'm facing the wrong guy. That's unfortunate. I don't know if I can beat this one. Nice, we got him. Okay, cool. All that's left is this guy, which we've been beating pretty consistently. Sweet. Nice, we finally hit it. Okay. Definitely gonna want Braum in front of him as much as we can. He just hit Zoe too, that's a little scary. Alright, his Zephyr cheese was bad. And I'm pretty sure we win this. Nice. Another easy fight. Cool. Nice! Easy first. Let's go. Look at that. Revel is pretty strong. What do you know?